5 years old. So what's the message here? We want our customers to start early, for them to be aware that they can get protection for as little as 859 when they start their first jobs. We want them to access that. And then the big three, the top three killers is accessible. So what happens when they start early? They get to know the product, they become aware of being protected, and they progress further so that when it happens, we are already prepared. So that's what we want to happen. So the journey of BPI Kaya Care is quite simple, very straightforward. It is accessible online. So this is our banner image, the fighting girl in pink. So we want to embody that. It is accessible online, very easy. Our QR codes are there. You may try if you wish. But when you go in, you just need to provide very minimal information. Your name, your birth date. Then we have here your eligibility. So as you can see, when you apply, it is as simple as answering these questions. So give your BMI, height and weight, answer the questions, and confirm your occupation. It's as simple as that. What's more, what differentiates BPI Kaya Care also is the ease of application. So if you want to insure your son or your children, your sibling, group applications are possible. So if you want to buy for your spouse, that is possible. What else? Auto-renewal feature. So at the application, you can opt for auto-renewal. With a click of a button, annually you get protection. So that's quite convenient for the customers. And yes, so that's as far as it's simple. And after you accomplish this, then you just pay. After you pay, you get your certificate and you're already protected. So it's as simple as that. So I'll be discussing more about the product when you ask later. But just to cover a few, yes, you can insure more than one person, so up to 5. And there's no need for medical checkup. So what we want is this to be accessible. Because when we talk about life insurance or health insurance, it is quite intimidating because we feel that the premiums are high. But with BPI Kaya Care, we know for sure that it is accessible. So I leave you with this message about this wonderful product. BPI Kaya Care provides you confidence to access treatment so that you don't have to worry, saan ko ba kukunin when you get diagnosed? You focus on your healing, on the life ahead after your recovery. This is what we want to happen so you can dream further and accomplish your goals in life, and you have more to do what's beyond your illness. Thank you.